Tesla decided to leave the roads behind and conquer the oceans? Meet the Tesla Neptune X150, a breathtaking 150-meter concept superyacht that completely redefines the future of luxury, technology, and sustainable engineering. Unlike traditional yachts powered by noisy diesel engines, the Neptune X150 glides across the ocean almost silently, powered by Tesla's next-generation electric marine propulsion system and an advanced hydrogen range extender, making it one of the cleanest and most futuristic vessels ever imagined. From the outside, the yacht looks like it came straight from the year 2100, featuring a seamless matte pearl white titanium body with black panoramic glass stretching from bow to stern, razor-clean geometric lines inspired by the Cybertruck, and the futuristic elegance of the Tesla Roadster, while a continuous blue-white LED light strip wraps around the hull, giving the yacht a glowing, futuristic identity at night. As you step on board, there are no traditional buttons or switches. Every function is controlled by Tesla Vision AI, using voice commands, hand gestures, and intelligent automation. The grand entrance opens into a breathtaking atrium with floating glass staircases, transparent OLED walls displaying live ocean views, and a giant holographic Tesla interface suspended in mid-air, welcoming every guest personally. The main lounge feels more like a luxury penthouse than a yacht, featuring floor-to-ceiling smart electrochromic glass that changes transparency instantly, minimalist Italian furniture, hidden speakers built into the walls, wireless charging embedded into every table, and adaptive ambient lighting that automatically adjusts according to the time of day and the weather outside. The owner's suite occupies an entire private deck with a floating king-size bed facing a 300-degree panoramic glass wall overlooking the endless ocean, while the ceiling transforms into a transparent skylight at night, revealing millions of stars above.
Inside the suite, you'll also find a private office powered entirely by Tesla AI, a luxury walk-in wardrobe, an infinity-edge jacuzzi, and a futuristic spa bathroom carved from illuminated white marble with brushed titanium finishes. Moving to the upper deck, you'll discover a spectacular infinity pool with a transparent glass floor extending over the ocean, surrounded by luxurious sun lounges, an open-air cinema, a rooftop helipad, and a glass observation lounge offering uninterrupted 360-degree views of the sea. Below deck, the Neptune X150 hides a fully autonomous garage, carrying 2 Tesla-inspired electric speedboats, 4 electric jet skis, underwater exploration drones, and even a compact luxury submarine for deep-sea adventures. The entertainment level includes an IMAX private cinema, a world-class gaming arena with holographic displays, a zero-gravity relaxation room, a wellness spa, cryotherapy chambers, an indoor rainforest garden, and a state-of-the-art fitness center where the equipment generates electricity while you exercise. The yacht is also equipped with thousands of hidden solar cells, seamlessly integrated into the exterior surfaces, allowing it to recharge continuously under sunlight.
While Tesla's advanced battery system stores enough energy to power the vessel for extended journeys. Safety is handled by Tesla Autopilot Marine, an intelligent navigation system capable of automatically avoiding storms and detecting obstacles kilometers away, docking without human assistance, and constantly optimizing the most efficient route across the ocean. Deep inside the yacht, 6 ultra-efficient electric marine turbines, combined with hydrogen-assisted propulsion, produce the equivalent of more than 70,000 horsepower, allowing this massive floating city to reach an astonishing top speed of 48 knots while remaining almost completely silent. Designed to accommodate only 16 VIP guests with a professional crew of 40, every inch of the Neptune X150 represents Tesla's vision of the future,